recording. Alright, good morning. I got back from physical therapy yesterday with new information on how to stretch out. First I gotta open it up. I gotta stretch it out without using the muscle. Otherwise I'm gonna aggravate it, and it's not gonna heal. It's like picking a scab. So I have to use my other arm to move it into positions. And I have a cheat sheet. Oh shit. He gave me, I'll show you. This guy Omar, built a big dude. Bill knew what he was talking about. He was a great listener. And the beach is on that side of me. This is the grass area. It meets the beach. Pretty cool. But I don't know if you can see all this stuff, but I can't see it, the reflection. But I gotta do, let's see. I gotta do this stuff. I'm gonna try and do it. Today with a bat. You need rolling towels and like hand towels that you roll up thick enough to lay on. He also suggested I use my put a sign up that says posture with a question mark up in my face in my room, so that I can work on my posture, because that's causing a problem. You know, I have never really kept good posture. Being a wrestler, it was more like you're always down like this, but I always slouched in school. I hated those chairs. So I'm just gonna go. I don't want to look at this because my eyes aren't even awake yet. Everything's blurry in the distance. I brought my headphones to play some music. I brought my balls to juggle with. So you see me get ready. I just got here. I didn't want to get up, but I forced myself. So come on. Motion creates emotion. Your mood really determines your behavior. And you can change your mood by kicking yourself in the ass and getting moving. So that's what I'm doing today. This way. See, I gotta be real careful not to do much weight at all with this until I get it opened up. The range of motion is really limited. Like, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here, but it said, watch how, like, this arm can go how high it can go. I don't know if you can see, but see, I can go up there with this. But watch what I try to do with my right arm. It hurts so much. I can't go there. So now I'm gonna put on some music and just work out. I might talk to you, I don't know. But like, I got my volleyball, kick around here. Sometimes somebody will kick it back to me if it goes errant. I got my little football. The dog started to bite it when I was playing with her. She loved it, but I was like, no, give me that back. I don't want her to ruin it. I got my little football too. But I want to bring cones so I can set up targets. At wiffle ball, these I could throw good, but now I gotta do lefty. So this bat's gonna double. I can either hit the ball around lefty, maybe one-handed it, you know, like throw it up my right arm like easy so I don't hurt my arm, and then hit lefty. But last time I was here too early. I think a lot of people were still sleeping on the grass from overnight. But I got my trusty. Start off with my juggling. It always gets me in a good mood. I feel accomplishment. Can you see them? And so I'm going to try and switch it up, like not just these three, but like maybe this ball and that, and a tennis ball, or a wiffle ball. I haven't been able to juggle 4 balls at a time, but maybe 3 different balls would be fun. It just gets me moving. I forgot to bring my sweatshirt, but it's not that bad. I don't know how much recording time I have on this. Supposedly it records over Chromebook, so you don't have to worry about running out unless the whole recording takes too much memory. It's 5 minutes and 37 seconds now. Alright. So, and I brought my phone to play music on. Like right now, this is not recording. I'm recording it live here, but it's not being uploaded live. I'll upload it later when I get Wi-Fi. I gotta send it to YouTube because I'm using the camera on the Chromebook and its format. Facebook didn't take it, so I had to upload it to YouTube. Oh, you know what I forgot? My water bottle. What I'm gonna do is it's blank. It doesn't have a label on it. It made me think, you know what brand of water do you want to be if you're a sponsor? I'm looking for a sponsor, right? So I'll use your water bottle if you donate some amount of money, I guess. But the label was torn off the one I had. I was like, oh, okay. Trying to tell me something, I think. Battery's only 20%. I forgot to charge it last night, so it's going to be probably a lot shorter. It's connected to my phone and to you. I don't know if that means you'll be able to hear me or not, but let's see. I'm going to play Pandora on my phone. The data's not too intensive that way, no video. I don't know what I want to do. Acon radio or what? I got a message to look at. Oh, it's for another appointment. What's today? Today is July 26th. This came yesterday. It's for July 28th, 9:30. I'll get my injection. I need a steroid shot, I think, or cortisone. I don't know. It's for the shoulder. All right. Done looking at messages, done looking at the phone, play some music, work out. Okay, play. This is Life After You by Daughtry. No, What About Us by Pink. Listening at high volume. How come I don't hear anything? Playing? Playing. I gotta disconnect this probably. Disconnect the Bluetooth. Okay. Alright, that's it. There we go. Both sides. I'm listening to What About Us by Pink. You sold us down the river too far. Taking our lives back now. What about us? What about all the times you said you had the answers? What about us?
So you got some heavy work to do.
What about all hope and happy ever after? Alright, got my balls happy. My stuff. That little bucket is great for emergencies if you gotta go to the bathroom. What is it? It's an OxyClean. Really easy. You don't want anything too high, but you don't want it too low. Today. I'm not sure which laundromat I'm going to go to, but I want to go to the one that's not being a Nazi with the masks. My back crunching, my neck crunching when I do that. I gotta do one of this first here. Let's see. Keeps cutting out. Oh, found a feather. I saved those. Those are gifts from the gods. Did something good today. A bird. There goes a bunch of them. 2, 4, 6, 7. Right? I always count. Try to anyway. They go by too fast sometimes. They do tiny little exercises, lightweight. Take to level 1 of pain, not further than that. I was told. Aggravated. Like scratching a scab but not peeling it. put it on a table, sit on it, put your arms on it like this. Right, pretend it's a table, and you roll until the point where you feel that pain, and just stop there, and then roll back. But hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The idea is to strengthen the muscles around everything after you get the stretch done, so that you're not overworking any one particular area. All the muscles got to be strengthened. Do 3 sets of that. This is straight out, and then when I get done with this, do it wide. You can actually just pull your fingers to crawl them like a spider. Get it as far as you can without too much pain, and little by little, and unhold it. You don't want to jerk it. You snap something. And then this will work out the area, stretch it out. Then you can do strength exercises after you're stretched a little bit. I like to warm up first, just get the blood flowing to everything first. And then I start doing everything else. Like the juggling to me is a little warm up. I start slow, juggling high, so I don't do speed. And then once I start to come alive, I put the music on, and I go faster. I do short throws, so I'm moving my hands faster. It's a lot of repetitions, low weight. Lifeguards driving by. I got the surfboards on. Pretty cool truck. Fire rescue. Toyota. Brought to you by Toyota. Unofficially. Another exercise to do for this is to lean over a table, put the good hand down, the bad arm, let hang, and then move your body, not your arm, but it'll cause your arm to move like a pendulum, and then that'll loosen it up. You go side to side and just let your arm move on its own. Back and forth. You can try and do it, get it going in a circle. You don't want to use the muscle, you just want to get it to move. It opens it up. Try and get it to go a little more each time. And then use the bat, put it in your palm, keep your elbows straight, and push it like you're rowing a boat. Don't use the bad arm. You just want to stretch it back to the point that, well, this way I can go pretty good. It hurts right there though. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Try not to twist your body. Stay straight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. And one more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release it slow, so like help it down, otherwise it could hurt. If you've got a torn cartilage or torn muscle, it happened to a friend
friend of mine who went skiing. The pole, he hit something and the pole jammed his arm up. He had to keep in his sling for a while, and then a lot of little rep physical therapy. But this place that I go to has like a whole gym, massage tables and stuff. We did a little massage on the air, trying to get the muscles to release. Showed me all these exercises. Did a few. Had a mirror in front of me so you could see where like you're lopsided. De-stress. Roll up a towel, put it behind your back, and sit up straight. Use that as a reminder, like, oh, gotta keep my posture up. And part of that is like my shoulders, these shoulders, pull them back and down like it's a V. You want to pull the shoulders down this way. You don't want to use your traps. You just want to use the shoulders and pull them down to this lower center and hold that for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Do it again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Yeah, I've seen that. Turkey is a nice place to go.
I like to break it up. I get bored, so that's what these balls are for. We're still rolling. 21 minutes, 23 minutes in. Alright, we'll make this short. Little knee ups. This is good for your belly. Tighten your abs. Just hit the ball with your knee. Not too hard. And then switch with the other knee. Do 10 of these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See that? Reaching like that? Big mistake. I almost went. If I would have went a little further, or a few months ago, if I did that, I would have been screaming in pain. But I'm starting to improve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A little jog going. Your heartbeat going. Another exercise is what was it? Keep my elbow in. Put this here, so it's laying down, and he wants me to push it this way, so I can feel it in the back of my shoulder, like right here, and just do it to where I feel it. Keep it 90 degrees. Ah, man, that does hurt. Definitely. And you can see I lost some muscle here. It's just from atrophy from not using it, because my body said, screw it, don't use that anymore until it heals. So this side's gotten a little bigger. This one's gone down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. That one hurts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 10. Oh. Avril Lavigne is playing in my headset now. It's a damn cold night, trying to figure out this slide. 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Alright, let's try 3 different balls here. Alright, I got a racquetball, tennis ball, and a wiffle ball. Let's see if I can do this. So confusing. I have stuff on my mind. Say yeah, 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 yeah. Let's see. 4 here. No, I can't do 4 yet, so really racquetball. Uh-oh. What next? Football? Oh, this is the exercise I want to show. You take the bat, put it behind your back, hold it with the other hand. This is the good hand. You pull up and try and keep this one going with it. And keep it not from being like that, cocky, but keep it level behind your back. So it kind of helps. I can help this one up a little bit. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. I love baseball. We got an indoor batting cage around here, I think. I want to go check it out. Let's see this over here. If I can move it or not. So I think it's like PB. Entrance to PB.
Sunflower seeds.
Sharp. Throw them out. Guy's waving out there. I don't know who to, but lifeguard's running out there. In a bikini.
Babe Ruth steps up to the plate, calls his shot. First pitch. Oh, it's out of here. And big girls don't cry. Maidens go beyond. We'll play jacks. Alright. We love best friend. Be my time. Lifeguard's back. Pushing it. Starting to hurt. Don't do it too much. Wonder if I can hit the wiffle ball. Let's see. How far it goes. I don't know if you can see the whole background. See where it would go. See how far I can hit it lefty. I'm righty. I gotta go get it now. My daughter, when she was in the womb, just took us one try. Alright. That's it for today. I might kick the ball around here, but the sun's starting to come out and I don't want to get sunburned, so I didn't bring sunblock, so I'm going to call it early. And I want to take my dog. I got to do laundry, so have a good one. Seize the day.